Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Miles Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the Oil Catch Can system for the 2.5 liter turbocharged Skyactiv engine. Using CorkSport's proven oil catch can design, we've developed a kit specifically for the 2.5 liter turbocharged Skyactiv engine found in the Mazda CX, CX-5, and CX-9. Here at CorkSport, we believe this is an essential system to improving the longevity and durability of gasoline direct injection engines. So an oil catch can specifically is a filtration system that is added to your PCV system to better filter out gasoline and water vapors from your crankcase. Otherwise, these vapors, these right here, would be going straight into your crankcase or your turbocharger inlet and being re-ingested by the engine. The results of this is debris and buildup on your intake valves, your turbocharger, which reduces overall efficiency and power. With the catch can is also 14mm braided silicone hose that won't collapse under vacuum, along with a mounting bracket manufactured from 304 stainless steel, and then an optional drain valve kit so you can easily drain your catch can with every oil change. Supporting that oil catch can kit are color step-by-step install instructions to make install as painless as possible. The CorkSport Oil Catch Can body itself is manufactured from 6061 T6, anodized, a nice black and blue finish. And along with that, for your normal maintenance and servicing, includes a dipstick that is easy to unscrew, check your fluid level, evaluate what you need to do from there. So thanks for taking the time to check out the CorkSport Oil Catch Can kit for the 2.5 liter Skyactiv Turbo. Be sure to subscribe, check out the blog, stay in the know. This is Barrett, tuning out.